What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, it's been a while since I last made a video about Ilika stock, so I thought I'd make a quick update video to see how the company is doing. In case you're new to the channel or have not heard of Ilika stock before, this company is a pioneer in solid-state battery technology, enabling solutions for applications such as industrial Internet of Things, medtech, EV, and consumer electronics. Although the scope for growth is massive in all three fields, I want to focus primarily on the EV side of things. Just because EVs are hot right now, and one of their direct competitors is QuantumScape. QuantumScape, just like Ilika, plans to produce solid-state batteries. They went public via a SPAC merger last year, and their market cap is at $11 billion right now. So in comparison, Ilika is currently trading at around $2.15 and has a market cap of only $298 million. So given the similarities between the two companies, it's not too difficult to imagine how high this share price can actually go. Ilika has two ticker symbols. If you're in the UK, the ticker symbol for this company is IKA.L. If you're based in the United States, then you want to search for this company using the ticker symbol ILIKF. Investing in Ilika stock is an exciting opportunity because of the potential of massive growth ahead. But what has the stock actually done since the last time I talked about it? When I last talked about Ilika, the EV sector was extremely hot. During those times, we had the likes of Nikola going from $10 all the way up to $60 in a matter of days, and let's not forget what NIO ended up doing that year. Since then, things have cooled off and Ilika share price has fallen from $3.30 to the current price of $2.15. But the same happened with QuantumScape, whose shares fell from $101 all the way down to $28.96. So I'm not too bothered about the fall in the share price for Ilika. Ilika in comparison to QuantumScape is way undervalued, and according to Simply Wall Street, Ilika stock trades 43% below fair value. So buying Ilika at these levels could prove to be a really smart move in my opinion. There have been some big developments with Ilika this year. It's just a shame though that Ilika's PR game isn't that great. If they were to make more noise like QuantumScape, then they would most definitely have a much larger market cap. So let's talk a little about these developments. It's nice to see that Ilika's Goliath solid-state batteries are getting close to being mass-produced. So check this out. Ilika plc, a pioneer in solid-state battery technology, is pleased to announce it is collaborating with Comau, part of the Fiat Group and a world leader in the industrial automation field, in an Advanced Propulsion Center APC funded 12-month project to deliver a plant design for Goliath manufacturing line at the UK Battery Industrialization Centre UKBIC. Led by Ilika, the project is funded by the APC's Automotive Transformation Fund and has two objectives. Firstly, to design the scale-up of Ilika's existing pre-pilot line to increase production of solid-state cells from 1 kWh per week to 10 kW per week. Secondly, Comau will undertake a full study of Ilika's processes and deliver a plant design for a megawatt scale solid-state manufacturing line for ultimate installation at the UKBIC. These manufacturing scale-up activities are running in parallel with Ilika's Goliath solid-state technology developments to ensure delivery of its batteries to the global marketplace cost-effectively and within the quickest time frame. So it's good to see that things are progressing nicely on this front. It's also important to note that Ilika is also making great strides when it comes to their micro solid-state battery lineup, which could also prove to be a huge source of income for the company. As we announced last year, Ilika will be moving production of Stereax micro batteries from a pilot line at the University of Southampton to a new larger facility where these solid-state batteries can be produced at scale. We recently confirmed that contracts had been signed and that we took possession of this new building also in the greater Southampton area on the 1st of March 2021, and signs are already up. CAD designs have been completed and the new building will have plenty of space for our evaporation and sputtering equipment as well as photolithography equipment in our brand new clean rooms. Machine installation is scheduled over the summer. Right now, the space is being prepared to receive the production tools with work on floors, walls, power, and the all-important Wi-Fi practically ready. Following complete kitting of the facilities, we'll go through machine yield optimization and some essential product development and device characterization, leading to the availability of micro batteries at production volume in Q2 next year. So guys, things are progressing nicely when it comes to Ilika stock, and as I mentioned in my previous video, if Ilika is able to successfully mass produce these solid state batteries, then this company is easily a 10x stock, and that's me being conservative. The whole world is going to go electric, and lithium ion batteries can only take us so far. At some point, we will need to shift to solid state batteries, and Ilika could prove to be a company that will not only supply solid state batteries to the UK but also throughout Europe. But in the meanwhile, you should keep this in mind, that the journey is not going to be straightforward when it comes to the share price. Ilika still has a long way to go, and this is by no means a done deal. However, I like the risk to reward ratio when it comes to this company, which is why it's so intriguing to me. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next one.